Page 4, a lullaby. This is in 4/4 time. Again, let's take the hands separately first to make sure we got the notes and the rhythms okay, and then we'll put the hands together. Starting with the right hand. Your thumb is on C up here. And again, I leave it up to you to know the names of the notes in the music. It's really important you know those instantly when you see them. So, and the quarter notes gets a count, right? 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go through and work out the right hand. Make sure you can play it okay. And we'll try the left hand. And the left hand's all quarter notes except for the end. And your third finger's on E here. That puts you in this C position. And it's just 2. It's what we call an Alberti bass pattern. And I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger. I'm rotating the arm here and just transferring. Don't hold the hand still and try and use fingers to do this. Yeah. Just let your weight do that and transfer weight from finger to finger. Even when it's in the middle, you can transfer it from the middle to the thumb. You can still rotate. I can do it from index finger to, it doesn't matter where it is. It's just rotate here. Make sure you got all these notes okay. I mean, these are really the only notes you're playing. So work that out and then try to put the hands together. Now again, when you start this, you might have to hesitate. Make sure you got those right. So you work it out, hold hands together, and then practice and get rid of the hesitations. Because the beat, once it starts, it needs to be steady. And you can do that, then go back and add the slurs. The left hand doesn't have anything. You play it all legato. It says legato there under the staff. That means connect them. Connect everything. The whole thing, all the way through to the end. No silence in the left hand. The right hand, let's put a little silence between each slur. You just lift up. Just lift up. See, the beat stays there. You're just cutting the half note just a hair short so you can lift up. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We want that silence between each. All the slurs in the right hand. So you're keeping the left hand connected but not the right hand. That's tricky. We need this independence of the hands, so we can work on that now, because that helps us later on when the music gets more difficult, and we've already, otherwise you'll wait and you'll have to develop that later on when the music's harder, and you'll have enough to think about then. So let's work on this now. Then you can go back and add the dynamics. Well, it's MF first line and MP in the second. MF is moderately loud, mezzo forte. That's the right hand. Keep the left hand soft throughout this whole thing. We want to hear the right hand. You'll have to decide what moderately loud is. It's sort of loud. It's not loud, just sort of loud. In the right hand, left hand soft. And then in the second line, it's moderately soft. MP, that's the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. So forth. That's the dynamics. And then in the last two measures, they give you that little arrow. That means get softer. Now you're going to go down to a soft or very soft. So the left hand has to get super soft, huh? The last two measures. Softer, softer. You can get down. I don't know how soft you're going to get. It's up to you, but yeah, try and get a little softer there. The speed-wise, Andante is on the slow side. Andante to me is like taking a stroll through a park. It's just you're kind of casually walking along, you're not in any hurry to go anywhere. It's about where I've been playing it, I think. That's fine. It'll be different for different people. It's a range of speeds. It's not a set speed. I can't say this is Andante. It's in this area. So you learn it to where you can play it all through without any hesitations. Then come back and play it with me and make sure you're playing the same notes I'm playing at the same time, so we check your notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. I just want the notes and the rhythms and the slurs. I'll do that too. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's try this together. 1, 2, ready, go.